Hey guys, so I'm going to be unboxing these Squishmallows, I think they're called. They came out with really cute skeleton animals for this year, and those to die for. And I'm having a Halloween party this year, and I love giving out stuffed animals. And I think these will be so adorable to give out to everybody. So I'm super excited to open these up. I actually got them off of eBay. It was like you get two for $18.99, so that was a pretty good deal, so I decided to do it. And so yeah, so I can't wait to unbox them. These are the smaller version of them, but yeah, so let's open them up. I did get one for myself too, because like I said, it was like you get two, and I have 4 friends. Well, I have 3 friends, counting me. I guess I count myself as a friend. So yeah, so I got one for myself too, which I'm really excited about, because last time I gave out little Halloween stuffed animals, I couldn't get myself one, but I got myself one, so I'm excited. So here they are. They're in this packaging. So, oh my goodness, this is like so cute and funny. So the packaging is really great. So let's open it up. I love eBay. You can find some really good stuff on eBay. So this is the one for myself. I got myself the little blue kitty because I love blue. That's my favorite color. And black. And it's a little cat, so it just like matches me really cute. And it's really cute and tiny. I do have a Squishmallow of, I think, I'm not too sure if it was from last year or the year before that. It's like a black, it's kind of like a black cat, but it's also purple. But it's a little bit bigger than this though. But yeah, I think that's like the only one I have. But now I have this one. But yeah, so it's super cute. I love the cat one, the skeleton cat. So, and it has like a little description and tells you the name in here. And then this is like all of them that you can collect. The only one I didn't get is the they have a bunny, they have a yellow bunny, and then a bear. Those are the only ones I didn't get, but I chose the other ones. These I was able to choose too, because like they were selling them, I saw on Claire's and stuff like that, even on the Squishmallow website. I don't know how you say it, so hopefully I'm saying it correctly, but you can't like pick the ones you want. So on eBay I was able to, so thank goodness for that. And it even has a cute little tail. So yeah, I moved on to the other ones. So I got this one as well for my one friend. I actually thought this was a penguin, to be honest. This is not a penguin. It's a flamingo, I think. I think it's a flamingo. I thought it was a penguin, but yeah, I think it is. But anyways, either way, it's so cute. So I decided to get it for her because she loves penguins and she likes flamingos too. So either way, I think she would really like it. And it's really different because it's just like a little bird. So yeah, so I got that one. And then the other one that I got was the dog. So the dog's the orange one, which I think is really cute. And it even has a little tail. So I got the dog for my one friend because she has a dog, and I don't know, I feel like she would like this one because I didn't want to go with the bear because like honestly I didn't know what the bear was at first until I like read the description that it was a bear, and now I'm like, I kind of want to do something more fun than that. And then the bunny's cute, but it didn't really go with anybody themed, so I just chose the dog since she has a dog, so I thought that would be cute. And plus it's really Halloweenish because it has orange, so I thought that would be cute. Then the next one I got is the unicorn, which I think is so funny. So, and look at the mane and the tail. That's so cute. So I got this for my one friend. She's not really that into Halloween. She's more of a Christmas person. And I know this is kind of more of like the girly girl kind of Squishmallow that they have out of these, but I decided to get her unicorn because none of the other ones really fit her. I mean, I guess I could have got her a bear, but I just thought it wouldn't be really fun, so I decided to get the unicorn because I thought that'd be like really fun to give her, since, you know, like I said, her favorite holiday is Christmas. So she's not that big of Halloween. She likes Halloween, but she's not like that big on it. And she doesn't have no pets, even though she wants a dog. So I was just like, I don't know what to get for her. So I decided to just get her the unicorn one. So hopefully she likes it. I think it's really funny and cute. So hopefully she likes it. But yeah, these are the ones I got. Again, the only ones I don't have in here is the bear and the bunny. Those are the only ones I don't have in this mix. So they do have more of them. I just, of course, I don't have that many friends, so I didn't get them. And these were the ones that I decided to choose because I thought they would look better to kind of match my friends, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I'll definitely check out on eBay because that's where I found them at. And they're really cute. Again, these are like the smaller ones. They do have bigger ones, I hope. This is the first time of me seeing them. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe.